Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to set up Anonytun VPN custom settings, including HTTP proxy, HTTP headers, and SSL settings. If you value your online privacy, this tutorial is for you. For detailed tutorials, follow my blog, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Step 1. First, open the Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type Anonytun VPN. From the search results, click on Anonytun VPN and download it. This should only take a few minutes. Step 2. Once Anonytun VPN is downloaded, launch the app. You will be taken to the home screen of the app. Step 3. On the home screen of Anonytun, look at the top right corner. You'll see a label called Stealth Settings. Click on it to access the custom settings of the VPN. Step 4. Inside the Stealth Settings, you'll find various protocol options such as TCP, HTTP, and SSL. Today, we'll focus on the TCP protocol, which can also work with HTTP and SSL. Step 5. Select the TCP protocol. Once selected, proceed to enable the HTTP proxy settings by toggling the radio button. Then click Edit Parent Proxy. In the pop-up box, enter a working proxy along with its port number. Step 6. If you prefer to use HTTP headers instead of a proxy, first enable the HTTP header settings by toggling the switch. Click on the Edit button to enter the settings. In the new pop-up field, enter a host or header by clicking on the Editor button. Once you've entered the header or payload, click Save to go back. Note that you can use both headers and proxy at the same time. Step 7. If you want to use SSL settings, you can choose either the TCP protocol or SSL protocol. For this tutorial, we'll continue with the TCP protocol. Toggle the SSL settings to activate them. Click on the Edit button to enter the SSL settings. In the new window, enter the custom SNI and port, then click Save. Step 8. After configuring your desired settings, whether it's HTTP proxy, HTTP headers, or SSL settings, go back to the home screen. On the home screen, click on the Connect button to start the VPN connection. Conclusion. That's it for today's tutorial on setting up Anonytun VPN custom settings. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more detailed tutorials, visit my blog. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.